Today we're going to address the problem of your ABS light staying on if you have code 1 with no subcode, which is a pump motor overrun. We also want to point out that, of course, ideally you should fix the problem, but I live in the south. I never drive this Del Sol in the rain or the snow or ice, so my ABS isn't really going to engage under my normal driving situation. I just can't stand that light, and I'm going to show you one way that you can turn it off without disabling the cluster, without having to go in and undo the cluster, and without having to cut any wires. The code that it pulls is for a pump overrun, which also can be just the pressure switch is not working, and I'm just going to show you how to disable that light right now. Inside here you see the ABS pump assemblies all under here near the battery. If you look at these orange connectors, you're looking for the one that is down in the middle here. It has two yellow wires coming out of one side, and the other side has a yellow and a black coming out. So that's the one that we're going to disconnect first. So to disconnect this, we first need to pull it off of the bracket. There's a little tab right here that you're going to push with your thumb, and then you're going to be able to slide this whole thing off of that metal bracket that it was stuck to, and then we'll be able to easily squeeze here and pull these two ends apart. Here you can see that I've installed a jumper across the terminals here. We're going to start up the car now, and we'll see the ABS light come on just like it normally does, but then it's going to turn off. I just want to make it crystal clear that we did not fix the ABS. The ABS will not engage. It's just to trick the system into thinking that nothing's wrong so that the light will not turn on and stay on anymore.